So this is a video I was supposed to have up like in the fall. It was supposed to be like my room tour slash fall makeup video or whatever. But that just goes to show you how laziness is a real bitch and it just slowly consumes your body and soul. So here it is, my fall video, halfway through the winter. Everything I use makeup wise will be in the description box. Okay, so this is all of my stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna try and figure out where to put everything. I usually like to start with a translucent powder, and my makeup routine is a lot different from what it was a few months ago, so I don't do this anymore. On to brows. Just watch the magic, okay? I'm gonna turn my barely there brows into magic. See that? Magical. So as far as a foundation, I didn't use one. I just used my Camo Concealer by e.l.f. And you're going to notice that a lot of products from this video are by e.l.f. If only I were sponsored, that would be dope. But no, I just really love e.l.f. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and all that good stuff. And their products just work. They never seem to fail. So I like them a lot. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my matte setting powder. So for my blush, I forgot to show what blush I used, but I used the Blush Bomb Color Drops by Flower Beauty. For my eyeshadow, I just used one color, but it was the shade Tangerine Dreams from my Colourpop palette, Orange You Glad. At first for lips, I decided to use a nude lipstick and add a little color to it with my Tinted lip balm. Then I tried to add a little red on top of it and I didn't like it, so then I tried to put a dark purple on top of everything, which I didn't end up liking this either. And I think it would have been fine if it was more of a burgundy instead of a purple, because purple tones don't really look that flattering on me, in my opinion. I would have liked it a lot more if it were more red. Then I finally decided to take the purple off and just put a gloss on. Thanks for watching, and I just want to let you know that you are an amazing cinnamon roll, and don't let anyone tell you different. Okay, bye!